สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone. Welcome to learning how to combine Thai words with Thai Kids Academy. Today we will take a look at these three words. The first one is play. In Thai we say เล่น เล่น and next one is football. In Thai we say ฟุตบอล football. We don't say ball but we say ball. And the last one is basketball. In Thai we say basketball. But if you say play football, you will got เล่น football. But if you say play basketball, you will got เล่น basketball. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in our flashcard, please contact our school. Bye bye.